flowers begin flowering in late May, peaking in June and September. In some years, we have even had roses blooming in early December. Rose Garden was designed in 1916 by pioneering landscape architect Beatrix Ferrand, a leader in her profession in the early 20th century. Ferrand's vision for the site wasn't fully realized until 1988, when David Rockefeller helped NIBG complete this garden in honor of his wife, Peggy, who loved roses.
As the road curves, you can see the beauty of Michael Steinhardt Maple Collection. Here, native maples grow alongside.
Por aquí seguimos, por aquí seguimos.
Conifers are plants that hold their seeds in cones, like the familiar pine cone, used in winter holiday decorations. The Benenson Ornamental Conifer Collection includes plants with multicolored foliage, others with weeping horns, and compact and slow-growing varieties. This part of the garden is welcoming no matter the season, from the vibrant greens of spring and summer to the earth tones of autumn, to a white blanket of winter snow.
Ahead, where the paths intersect on side A, look for a snake branch spruce, named for the long, slender branchlets that hang straight down from the main branches.
Right across the road, you'll find shade-tolerant dwarf conifers. Dwarf conifers grow very slowly. Some grow less than an inch a year, and can take decades to grow only a few feet tall, making them a great choice for any gardener without a lot of space.
Around the upcoming bend, we will pass a short, compact tree with dense blue-green needles on side A. That is the R.H. Montgomery spruce, named after the man who donated many of the rare conifers in this collection beginning in the 1930s. All R.H. Montgomery spruces found in gardens around the world are descended from this one tree. As we proceed up the hill, you'll see a pavilion with sweeping views of the conifers. It's a great place to relax and take in the beauty of this majestic collection. We have horticultural legend Sidney Waxman to thank for some of the dwarf conifers here in the garden. Waxman used the rifle to shoot down the cones from irregular formations called witches' roots, collected the seeds, planted them, then selected and created his favorite seedlings, such as sea urchin. It takes 30 years for these diminutive specimens to reach a height of 2 feet. We are passing the Nolan greenhouses for living collections on side B. This facility, usually closed to the public, is where our gardeners grow plants for display in the conservatory and in collections throughout the garden. Each of the 8 growing zones in the greenhouses has a different climate, accommodating an incredible diversity of plants.
On side A is a grove of dawn redwoods, once known only from fossils and thought to be extinct. A living population of dawn redwoods was discovered in China in the early 1940s. Our trees were grown from seed collected in 1948. On side B are low conifers, with curtains of green needles that cascade to the ground. These are Sargent's weeping hemlocks, a variety of our native eastern hemlock, first discovered in New York in the middle of the 19th century. Our specimens are more than a century old. Right ahead is the Adam R. Rose and Peter R. McQuillan Horticulture Operations Center, the headquarters for the horticulture staff who care for the garden's trees and historic landmarks.
Yes, the stuff that made people sneeze. Built in 1840, it is a National Historic Landmark and a New York City landmark. If you follow the path past the stone mill, you can walk beneath a tall bridge that was featured in the opening credits of the New York-based classic, Sesame Street. At the end of the path, you will see the waterfall that helped to provide power to the Lorillard's mill. Before the arrival of European settlers, the Bronx River provided food and water for the Lenape people. Later, the river became a vital economic resource for colonial America.
Our Stonewall stop. This is our Stonewall stop.
1700s, its steady flow was furnishing hydropower to 12 mills. In the late 1700s, the Lorilllards dammed the river to provide water power for the stone mill. On side A, you'll see a grassy triangle with an enormous black moat. It's almost 200 years old.